Central Forest Division Imphal na sinduna Inspire by Nature for Climate for Our Future haiba themda Imphal East District ki manung chanba Luang Sangkhong Community Hall da World Environment Day 2026 palan thoram pangthok pagalwena ek par मा के नाम 302 3.0 पांथोखरे थोरम अदुदा सरुक याखिबा IFS अनुराग बासपाइना पांथोखिबदा अखोइना उहै पानबा उपाल सिंह थारगदि उहै पिरकनी अदुगा इंडस्ट्री सफट हन्नबदसु वा असे यामना संगी अदुगा उपाल थागे हायरगदि यामना मियामना लेगदबा नत्ते फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट ना लेमना पीगनी मरम सिना मालेम इमाबो इकाई खुन्नबा अमदी अखोइगी अपोकपी इमाबो इकाई खुन्नबा उत्पा ओइना अहल अंगंग अखोइ खुदिंगमाना उपाल थासी अमदी हिंगनबा होनहनसी हाइखे थोरमदुदा चीफ कंजर्वेटर ऑफ फॉरेस्ट एंड प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर WCSM IFSL जयकुमार ना फोंदोखिबदा उपाल हौद्रबदी सोर होनबा ऑक्सीजन लेरक्तदुना मियोइबा अखोइ मालेमसिदा कुइना हिंगबा यारकलोय थकनबा इसिंगसु फंगलक्तबा याय हाइखे थोरमदुदा लौसांगखोंग नोंद्रेन पाखंगबा लाइबुंगी अकोयबदा उपाल कयासु थाखे.
So we need to maintain that, and I this is my 23rd year of service here in Manipur, and I have seen that we, with all of you, with the support of all the village communities, we are maintaining about 75% forest cover. So it is the playing goes to all of us. All village communities, all villages, be it Gwalior, be it at Kogar, be it at Tiruppur, be it at Sriram, or any other place, we are maintaining this forest cover. And this is the most significant aspect of our society here in Manipur, which I feel so. We are very much devoted to our nature. We are very much devoted to maintain the green, and that is one of the best part of the society.
In 2024, against the target of 50 lakhs, we have planted about 54 lakhs. In 2025, against the target of 34 lakhs, we have planted 60 lakhs trees. And this year we have been given a target of 45 lakh trees. We are likely to plant somewhere around 70 lakh trees this year. And you may feel that where it has been planted, that is a real, because we are maintaining the cover of 74% forest cover in the state. Greenery is there, and it is not on the base our estimation, it is the scientific estimation based on satellite imagery, and which is done by Forest Survey of India, that is at Dehradun. So we are maintaining our forest cover, and we are trying to improve our forest cover. Sometimes I have found people say that no, this on the road, when the road construction is taking place, or the railway construction is taking place, or development projects are taking place, some trees are lost, green cover are lost. That is not the case. Actually, it is a shifting of, because development is also required, roads are also required, railways are also required, and development projects are also required. We need a school, we need hospitals, everything we need. But what happens then? That area is shifted. We go for compensatory afforestation in another area. So we fill another area, but try to maintain.
All Women and Child Development Sindona Organization asigi ahanba oina First World Environment Day gi thoram ngasi Young Progressive Club ga kusanaduna wangthokre. Tagel Kolom Laikai da Leiba YPC Club da Inspired by Nature for Climate for Our Future haiba themda usar singsu thake.